Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we're back here with another Tunercrate. It's based on MaxBoost, is the little comics books. So I'm pretty glad to get this box and everything cool, yeah. But actually it took longer this time to get this shipped. So I don't know, I'm learning now, I'm debating if I want to continue with Tunercrate or not. But still, like, I'm still thinking of getting the next volume one, but I'm still debating not to get it or whether not to get it. I mean, whether to continue or unsubscribe. But yeah, okay. And I have a question for you guys. As you can know, the World Cup is going on. What is the team you're going for? That you can let me know in the comments below. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this unboxing. Alright, so let's get started. Wait, what? I already have this shirt. I have this shirt already. I think this one came out on the I think it was B is for build. Is this on the MaxBoost? MaxBoost. Pretty cool though, check it out. MaxBoost. Then we have a Super Street. I don't know what the hell is Super Street doing here. Is it like a water thing? Pretty cool. I think I might get this to my son. So you can take it to school. We have another hat. This one's pretty nice. It's a little turbo. Green in the bottom, gray on top. Great snapback. Pretty cool look, check it out. It says Tunercrate MaxBoost on the side. MaxBoost. Yeah. One of these. And those the Brunette GTR. That's Mike in the picture. Look, it's Mike in the picture. That's the owner of Tunercrate. And these two guys are the collab, I guess. The owner's the MaxBoost. That's pretty cool. You have a sticker. Sticker of a GTR. And there it is, the GTR. Blue Subi, MaxBoost, MaxBoost, a Tunercrate with a Subi. Oh, it's a GTR, an R34, right? A Super Street sticker, a MaxBoost air freshener. With the R34 again. Tunercrate. MaxBoost. Of course, the microfiber towel. The MaxBoost socks. Let's see the MaxBoost on the top, I guess. MaxBoost. Cool lanyard. Based on the theme of MaxBoost. So yeah, it's all the little characters. MaxBoost, Tunercrate, MaxBoost. Poster. Poster, MaxBoost, GTR, Tunercrate. And a blue turbo. Pretty cool this time. But yeah, that's it for the box. If you guys like want to get yourself like a, I guess like 50% off your first box, I'm gonna leave a link in the bottom below. You can check that out. I am not sponsoring this video or anything. I'm not sponsored by Tunercrate at all, so this is just on my own. And yeah, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I don't like really post as much anymore, I guess. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, guys, let me know what you guys think of the question I gave you guys in the beginning of the video. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Make sure you guys do better than yesterday. And remember, guys, nothing's easy in this life. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.